Hey, I have a really quick video here on the Python documentation. So we've already been to the Python site to install Python, but if you ever have questions or you want to learn more about something I'm showing you, you can go back to python.org and go to documentation. And then I want to just point out that we need to be very careful to use Python 3 docs, not Python 2. And click there and it will take you to the latest version. If for some reason you are using a different version like 3.5, you can change up here. Just make sure you don't go back to 2. And you can follow a great tutorial if you have some basic questions. But if you have a question about something like, let's say one of the built-in functions like print. If we find print over here, you can just do a search as well. This will give you details about how print works. So it tells you how to use it. This is probably going to be a bit overboard for what we know at this point, but there are a lot of options and things that we can do with print that we haven't discussed. But that's all I really wanted to say. So if you ever have questions, you can come to the docs, do a search, and this is one portion on built-in functions. There's stuff on every part of the language. So if you have a question, it can be answered on here, or it will be. It's just a matter of finding it. Also, if you do Google things, like let's say you have a question about Python strings and you Google it, a lot of times the top results are using the 2.7 or 2 point something documentation, because they've been around longer, more people have clicked on them because it's been around longer, so they're often indexed higher. Just be conscious of that. Usually Python 3 docs are right behind. So just make sure you click the right one, because it can be confusing if you go and you read something that is no longer true or the syntax is changed. So just be careful. With that said, you don't need to go out and read the docs start to finish at this point. If you'd like, I highly recommend their beginner tutorial. But in this course, I will point out the docs and show you the things that I think are most useful as we progress. All right,